Hi and welcome back to another episode. We are back in Italy after about a month in Sweden, as well as a short trip to the Italian Alps in Cervinia. So this is the current status of the facade. Alex has been working hard on getting it 80% finished, I guess, I'd say. We initially had some problems with the facade being a bit too shiny, which was due to us having the wrong texture of the intonaco, the plaster that goes on top. We have now changed that. We've added a bit of sand into it so that it's now not as shiny, and we're very happy with the result. We do have some work here on the arc, and we also have some work up there, and then it's going to be painted, etc. But I thought I would give you guys a short tour of, or a short introduction to what's going on at the house at the moment and what our plans ahead are. So I'll give you guys a brief description of. So basically, this is the current status of the house at the moment. There's not much work we can do right now because, as many viewers know, we don't have the windows yet. It's basically a pending court case since he's not delivering and he's taking money for the windows without delivering. So that's going to be, I guess, quite a long-going issue coming ahead. We'll see. So basically, we can't do the work on the walls that we want to do because the windows that we have are a bit leaky. Not this particular one, but a few others. So we're going to leave that for now. We do have some electrical work to do, which we are postponing a bit because we're not in a rush to do that at the moment. We also have a lot of plumbing work to do, but we do have an issue with a pipe that runs down here. Let's see if I can get the lights on. Hold on. Here we go. We have these pipes, which are asbestos. And the asbestos company can't come for another 5 or 6 weeks to remove them for us, which means our plumber can't do our plumbing work before those are removed. Apart from that, we have some work here in the basement that needs to be done, namely digging out the whole basement, doing the concrete work with the metal reinforcements, etc. We can't do that either because at the moment the weather is a bit unstable. We have rainy days, sunny days, cold days. So we can't do the concrete work and we can't do the digging work because we can have water coming down into the concrete when we do the foundation work here. So we are also postponing that until March, maybe. We'll see. So basically all the basement work is postponed due to weather that we can't control, and all the plumbing work is postponed until we get the asbestos pipe removed. And in the bathroom upstairs, where we also do have some plumbing work to do, we can't do that either because these are the pipes that we're putting in. It's going to go here, all around, and then behind here we're doing piping down to the basement. Behind that wall is an asbestos pipe that we need to remove. And when we remove that, we're going to have a gaping hole in the wall, which we don't want during the rainy season. So we're going to leave that for now until weather picks up. So this is the current status. We are a bit stuck between what we can and can't do, and We can't do work on the facade either because we're having problems with the weather for the plaster not to stick, so that's also postponed. So we're in a bit of a state where we have a lot of work to do in this villa, but there's not much we can do. So it's gonna be not that many videos coming in the next month or so, I guess. The whole of January is gonna be pretty empty with videos, I presume. But we will be back for phase 2 of the restoration, which I hope is coming soon. Because we want to get this finished as soon as possible, even though it's gonna be a long time before we're finished. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a brief update of what's going on, and I hope you have a lovely Christmas. Thank you all for subscribing, liking, commenting, being patrons, sending coffee, etc., all that stuff. And I hope you enjoy your Christmas, and I'll see you guys hopefully soon. Until next time, ciao!